everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm happy that you stopped by. So in this video, I share with you how I would repurpose an old key organizer into a beautiful nightstand. Stay tuned for the end result, and if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the project. Let's get into it. So to get started today, I'll be giving this old piece a really nice coat of paint, and to do so, I'm using some white acrylic paint with a dash of rose gold and hot pink. This color turned out so beautiful. Let me know what you think in a comment down below. I gave this piece 2 coats of paint and was able to cover the entire thing. Bottom shelf is missing. Let's go ahead and make one, and to do so you can use either plywood or foam board. I've measured the opening and I'll be tracing it out on the board, and I will be using that to make 3 pieces. To make the cut really neat, I'm using an X-Acto knife. To make the piece really strong and durable, I'm using some Gorilla Glue, and I'll be putting it in between each of the foam board. Sure that it stays together as it dries and move forward with the project, I'll be using some duct tape, and also later on I'll give it a really nice coat of silver spray paint. Let's go ahead and put a shelf, and to do so I'm using glue, but as a side note, I'd like to let you know that you will have to add some screws to it for a much sturdier hold. gonna be a nightstand. Let's go ahead and add some legs. To do so, I got those at the Home Depot for $6 a piece, and also I spray painted them silver, and we'll use those heavy duty top plate. Let's go ahead and put that together. To make sure that it's a lot easier to add the screws, I pre-drill holes where I've marked earlier. Now that all of our plates are put together, let's go ahead and add the table legs. And it's really easy to do. You just twist it around until it's tight enough. Now let's move to the fun part. I'll be using those Dollar Tree mirrors to make the top of the table. I use 4 of them, and to keep them together, I'm using some strong adhesive glue. Now let's go ahead and create some shelf liners. To do so, I'm using foam board, and I'll be measuring the distance between each opening, and I'm creating 3 pieces. Now that all of our 3 pieces are made, let's go ahead and use some marble paper to cover them up. once again, to make sure that everything has a finished touch to it, I'm adding some marble paper on the side. Now for the final touch, I'll be using this rice stone that I got from Amazon, and I'll be covering all the borders of the frame and also around the mirrors. Guys for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and comment on this project. Let me know what you think and what change you would have made. Bye.